Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. It is class 11. Subject is zoology. And our topic is respiration. Dear students, the act of respiring, inhalation and exhalation of air. We can say that actual meaning of respiration is the act of respiring, inhalation and the exhalation of air, breathing. In biology, the sum total of, according to biology, the sum total of the physical and the chemical processes, the sum total of the physical and chemical processes in which an organism is conveyed, in which the total physical and the chemical processes in an organism in which oxygen is conveyed and conveyed to the tissue cells, and on the other hand carbon dioxide is given off from the tissues to the external environment. Dear students, if I would like to say you what is actually the respiration, the act of respiring, inhalation and exhalation of air breathing. Basically, the sum total of the physical and the chemical processes in an organism in which oxygen is conveyed to the tissue cells. That is, oxygen is getting from the external environment and then it is conveyed to the by the respiratory organs to the tissue cells, and the carbon dioxide on the other hand is given up from the tissue cells to the external environment. This is one of the definition of respiration. The next is respiration is a chemical reaction. A respiration is a chemical reaction. It's a chemical reaction that happens in all the living organisms like plants and the animals. Respiration is a chemical reaction that happens in all the living organisms. In living organisms, we can consider both the plants and the animals. It is the way that the energy is released, and in this process, energy is released from glucose, so that all the other chemical processes needed for the life will happen, so that all the other chemical processes which are needed for the respiration will happen. Breathing or inhalation. Then what is breathing or inhalation? This is the second term. The thirdly we can say that breathing or inhalation, it is the exchange of gases. It means in which exchange of gases takes place. That is, oxygen is conveyed and carbon dioxide is given off. Then internal respiration. Internal respiration, in which the exchange of gases takes place, in which the exchange of gases takes place between the blood to the tissue fluid, between the blood to the tissue fluid. These are the definitions of respiration, and tomorrow inshallah we will discuss the respiratory system. Thank you.